Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link PayPal to TikTok. First, make sure you have an active PayPal account and the TikTok app updated on your phone. Now open the TikTok app and log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you will find the three lines. Tap on it in the top right corner. After that, tap on setting and privacy. Now scroll and tap balance or creator tools depending on the account type. You will see an option to add PayPal. Enter your PayPal email and password, then tap agree and link. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message showing your PayPal is successfully linked to your TikTok account. Now you can earn money from TikTok, creator rewards and live stream. You can withdraw your earning directly to PayPal, and that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.